Welcome back. In this fifth section of the course, we will learn about dynamic user interfaces in React Native. Up until now, we have learned how to style React Native components and craft layouts using Flexbox. While they are very important, there is one piece missing. Currently, all our learning has centered around iPhone 14 and Pixel 4 devices. However, it's important to bear in mind that our app's users won't all be using identical devices. Device sizes may vary, ranging from more compact phones to larger devices like iPads or Android tablets. We must ensure that our app's user interface remains responsive to these different device sizes while maintaining an optimal user experience. But that is not all. Even on the same device, a user might opt for portrait mode while another prefers landscape orientation. Our UI needs to be capable of accommodating these varying preferences. In this section, we will learn a few APIs that React Native provides to gracefully accommodate such changes. Now, for this section on dynamic user interfaces, I have created a new Expo project called Dynamic UI. In the app component, I'm going to make some changes to set us up for this section. First, remove the status bar import, the text component import, and clear all the contents within the view component. As for the container styles, set plum as the background color. Take a look at the two devices, and we see our plum-colored view component. Alright, join me in the next video, where we will learn how to work with different device sizes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.